What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I thought it would be a fun, quick video about using the two-finger trick for your mustache as you're growing it out. And as I'm doing a mustache series, this would be a fun way to show you guys a cool trick down the line as things are growing out. A great way to just keep your mustache in line. So diving right into it, your mustache needs a split depending on how you're going to be styling it out, but I like to do the handlebar. You got that comb over, it just depends on what you want to do. But for me, it's the pincher. I call it the pincher, where you're just opening up the claw, right? And to do this, you're going to take your thumb and your index finger and you're going to put it right in the middle of your lip, and you're just going to start flaring it out, okay? And what this is doing, it's actually separating the mustache as we train it out within the weeks and months that we are growing it out. And before you know it, you'll actually, instead of having to use both hands, pinching them out and flaring out that mustache, you'll be surprised by using the two-finger trick by just pushing down. And then I like to use my bottom lip to kind of push and flare out the mustache. And then you're just gonna go ahead and separate it and push back. And that's gonna bring your hairs right to the back by your cheeks and towards your ears. And this is a great way in between like meals, if you're wanting to style it out in between your wax application. And the best part is like when you're eating a grub or you're drinking some soda, you'll notice that you're gonna have to be pushing there just to push it aside so you don't get any food or any other elements in there. It's a very simple trick, and it's almost like human nature, like something that you're born, what to do already. But you're just pushing it in there, you're pushing back. And I do this a lot throughout the day as the handlebar is going to be growing out. And once again, it's just a fun little trick that I share along with you guys, and it's a great way once again to train your mustache throughout the day. Maybe 2 times every 30 minutes, just boom, push it back, throw it up, and that way it helps. And once again, when you're putting in all the product and you're going through the motions, before you know it, your mustache will actually stay where it needs to lay. And that's like a common word I like to use a lot, or a phrase I like to use a lot, because that's what's going to happen when you wake up. It's not going to be all bushy and crazy. Before you know it, with enough styling and training, your mustache is going to be well situated. It's going to stay where it needs to lay. And like I said, man, you're going to have a great style out. So just a fun little trick for you guys. Nothing crazy here. But the next subject I want to talk about is actually, can you use pomade for wax? I thought this was interesting because sometimes you got to find some product around, and so we'll do that next in a couple days. So with that, you guys, stick around. Link down below for some fun products, and also for the new channel. Been doing some fun stuff there. So with that being said, you guys, I love you, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya.